Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today's topic is one that many homeowners wrestle with. When should you repair a deck, and when is it time to replace it? At first glance, this can be a confusing decision. Maybe your deck looks rough on the surface, but you're not sure what's going on underneath. Maybe some boards are cracked, the railing feels tired, and the stairs creak a little. The question is, are these just surface problems, or do they point to deeper issues? Let's start with cases where repair might make sense. If the main structure is solid, meaning the posts are straight and sound, the beams and joists are strong, and the deck is well connected to the house, there's a good chance we can work with what you already have. In those situations, we might replace worn deck boards, fix or upgrade the railings, adjust the stairs, and update hardware. This can give your deck a new lease on life without the cost of a full rebuild. Now let's look at signs that replacement is the safer choice. If you find rot at the base of posts, in beams, or in joists, that's a serious concern. If the deck feels like it moves too much, if the ledger board where it connects to the house is rotting or pulling away, or if you see major rust or missing hardware, the structure may no longer be trustworthy. Sometimes we also see decks that were built years ago using methods or materials that simply don't hold up to today's expectations. In those cases, patching the surface is like painting over a crack in a foundation. It doesn't solve the real problem. Age plays a role too. A very old deck that has already been repaired several times might not be worth another round of patching. The cost and effort to keep it going may not make sense compared to the benefits of starting fresh with a stronger, better designed structure. A new deck can be built to support the way you use it now and the way you plan to use it in the future. Speaking of the future, think about your long-term plans. Are you dreaming about adding a pergola, a covered area, an outdoor kitchen, or tying into a patio or sunroom? The existing frame may not be suited for those loads or connections. In those situations, even if parts of the old deck seem okay, a new build might be the smarter path, so the entire system is designed to work together. At Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton, we don't guess. We inspect. We look at the structure from the posts to the joists, check the connection to the house, and examine the surface carefully. Then we talk with you about what we see and how long we expect the current structure to last, with repairs versus what a replacement would offer. Our aim is to give you clear information so you can make a confident decision. If you're standing on a deck right now wondering which way to go, it might be time for a professional opinion. You can reach Tuff Deck Builders Hamilton at 513-895-9287 or visit tuffdeckbuildershamilton.com to connect with our team. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton. Whether you repair or replace, the goal is the same: a deck that feels solid, safe, and ready for many more years of use. Is there one of these episodes you'd like turned into a short written checklist or one-page guide for your website next?